Okay, in the bottom of the case here near the power supply, there's this really long power cable. It has 3 serial ATA power connections and a Molex and like a disk drive connector. For some reason they're still supporting that, which is fine, but it's pretty long, so you'll be able to get your drives on here any way you want with this cable pretty much, and it reaches. You don't have to use that totem pole of Molexes that they have down here, which would put a lot of stress on one line. This one has its own separate line and it's not connected to anything right now.